guys, so here's the lampshade before. And then on Etsy, I found these beautiful, colorful butterflies. They printed out beautifully and they were cut, so that was awesome. I picked out the ones I wanted for my project, and then I cut floral wire and used this kind of thick super glue. It just kind of worked perfectly, but it took a little while to dry. Once it's dry overnight, then I took a hot glue gun and attached the butterflies directly to the shade. And I made sure to put glue all around the border because I needed them to lay flat against the shade. You're just going to want to be careful with the hot glue gun. It's pretty hot. And I also spray painted the shade white, and that wasn't the best idea. It made the shade a little more fragile. There's some cracking, so I would recommend not spray painting it. I did it because my wall color is white and I didn't want the yellowish shade to clash. Once you have attached all your butterflies, be really careful with this next step. Use an X-Acto knife to cut around the wings. Don't cut all the way around or else you'll cut the whole butterfly out. But just cut the wings, and then the wire can bend out. Once that's done, you attach the light kit to the shade. There's a link in the description, and enjoy. And I went ahead and added some little butterflies to the inside of the shade, and when the light's on, they show up, and it's really whimsical and cute. Please subscribe for more home decor videos and give me a thumbs up. Thanks!